This is a surgical demonstration of a SLAP, that is superior labrum anteroposterior tear repair. This is arthroscopic view of a shoulder joint of a 28-year-old male. He had an injury while playing cricket while throwing a ball, and you can see we are creating the anterior portals and visualizing using a posterior portal. You can see there is a superior labral tear there near the insertion of a biceps. Now we are visualizing from the posterior portal. We have created antero-inferior and antero-superior portals, and this is a portal called as port of Wilmington. This is a trans-cuff portal. We'll be using this portal to pass a knotless anchor to repair this labrum. So using a suture lasso, we are taking bites posterior to the biceps tendon, and through this lasso loop we are passing a loop-in suture which will be held using a knotless anchor later on. So we have passed 2 loop-in sutures using a lasso loop and a suture lasso. You can see that 2 loop-in sutures are being tied and held together, and through this port of Wilmington we have passed a drill guide for a knotless push lock anchor. Then we load this loop-in suture into the knotless push lock anchor, and we will insert that anchor into the drill hole we have made using a drill guide. So you can see that the push lock anchor is coming in, and we'll insert it into the hole. Then we'll pull the suture, tension the labrum, and then hammer the push lock anchor to complete the repair. The second anchor is also passed in a similar fashion, and once the anchor is passed, we'll cut the remaining thread. You can see that we are passing the second push lock anchor here. So you can see both the anchors are in place, and there is a nice repair of a superior labrum which can be achieved. This is used because you don't want a knotted anchor to irritate your rotator cuff. So push lock is a very good method, and you can see a stable construct. Thank you.